Hello, grade 3. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and doing good. This is your SST lesson, and in this lesson, we are going to revise unit number 12, being a good citizen. Students, as you know that we have finished, we have done this unit number 12 successfully. So today we will take a review of this unit for your better understanding. So we start our lesson. Students, what is meant by a good citizen? A good citizen is one who properly fulfills his or her role as a citizen. A good citizen is one who properly fulfills his her role as a citizen. Students, what are the qualities of good citizens? There are many qualities. They can be obey the rule, contribute to society, love his her country, respect for the rights of others, trustworthy and honesty, tolerance, moral courage, respect the property of others, follow rules and laws, take responsibility for own actions. So, being a good citizen is very important. A good citizen is normally the type of person who works hard, helps others, and respects the law. Clear, students? Students, in our lesson, we have read different qualities of a good citizen, and these qualities are fair play, kindness, honesty, respect for others, and rules. So we will discuss them one by one. Students, what is fair play? Fair play is respect for the rules or equal treatment of all concerned. Fair games are games where both players have exactly the same chance of winning. A fair game is a game in which there is an equal chance of winning or losing. We can say that if a game is fair, then the probability of winning is equal to the probability of losing. If you change the rules, you can make the game less fair. Clear? Clear, students? Now you are clear about the fair play. Now come to next quality, that is honesty. Students, honesty is not just about telling the truth. It's about being real with yourself and others about who you are, what you want, and what you need to live your most authentic life. Clear? Now come to respect for others. Students, respect means that you accept somebody for who they are, even they are different from you or you do not agree with them. Respect in your relationships builds feelings of trust, safety, and well-being. An example of respect is truly listening to someone speak. And another example of respect is the feeling a student has about a great teacher. Clear, students? Students, now come to the rules. Students, for a long time, we have been following rules. In reality, life can't be placed in order without rules. Without rules and regulation, modern civilization would definitely plunge itself into chaos. For example, if everyone could simply do what they want in a classroom, do you think much learning would take place? Is it an ideal environment for learning? No, it is not an ideal environment for learning. It will create disturbance while learning. Therefore, rules are a beneficial tool to guide and monitor the interactions between the members of the society. Understand, students? Students, what have I learned about being a good citizen? So, we should know the key facts that are on page number 83. Being a good citizen means doing what is right for yourself, your family, your community, your country, and the world. Some of the things a good citizen should do are be fair, help people who need it, be honest, show respect to others, obey rules. Students, I have told you enough how to become a good citizen and how should a good citizen be. How should he follow all the instructions to live a peaceful life in a society? So, this is your lesson for today. You have to revise this lesson again and understand how to become a good citizen. Clear, students? Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.